So before starting of the today's class, just I will give the quick recap of the previous class. In previous class, what we have learned actually. So basically, we want the previous calls actually what why Selenium means, advantages and disadvantages of a Selenium. Then Selenium component, different of the Selenium components. Then test case design techniques we have learned actually. Then while doing automation, exactly what are the things we need to consider exactly. Then different like yep, what are the things we need to consider writing the test cases before what to call evaluating the tools. Then uh, advantages and disadvantages Selenium components, uh, and test case design texts, these things. And apart from that also we have covered exactly what are the locators available in a Selenium exactly, like these things we have covered. So today we'll and apart from that we also learned how to do the Selenium setup actually in previous class. Just this is a recap of that what we have learned in previous classes. So today we'll start about with what to call available browsers commands in a Selenium, then navigation commands. Then I will show you how to identify the Selenium locators in practically exactly with the available locator, whatever the available. I took some demo sites, so from there we can identify easily. So we'll start with the first browser commands available. So this is everyone knows that this is what to call in our to we'll do the first setup of the which web driver we are executing. So then we have created a web driver for Chrome drivers, then we are launching actually. This is just then after. Yep, give.
Ratik,
Yeah,
Gone.
yeah.
This is Saravanan actually. So actually, I having another call with client today. So
Oh,
it is continuing.
yeah, sure, you can continue if you want. You can, I will share your recording later on WhatsApp. Yeah,
Please share the recording. I will continue from tomorrow. It's okay. Fine.
yeah, sure. Yep, that's
Thank you.
yep. Yeah, hi guys. Yep, yes. Again, we'll start now with whatever the available what to call commands available in browser commands will search. So once you written like driver dot. So in order to get browser commands, you first you created web driver, then we are taking a reference of a variable driver. Then if you have to just driver dot get title. Can you see these are the web browser command are available in a Selenium? One is a get title, one is a get page source, one is a get current URL, then get string. Basically this is a get string is like first if you take a get string. So if you wanted to launch the browser, you have to take a driver dot get, then you have to give the browser name, whichever browser you wanted to get, whichever browser you wanted to launch exactly. This is a driver dot get. So this is a browser. Then now we'll start with the driver dot get title. Driver dot get title. So driver dot get title, what it will do for if I will example one, I launch one flipkart.com. So can you see title? This is whatever the title like online, whatever is the title of the page it will get exactly. Driver dot get title. Can you see Google here? It is Google is there. It is online shopping site. This is a title. It will get basically driver dot get title. I will do launch the web browser and will print exactly what it is coming. Driver dot get title. Basically, it accept what you call return type is a string. You can see here only what is the return type. I will show driver dot get title. Can you see here? String return type is a string. This is a return type of that particular method exactly. It is a driver dot get title is a return type is string. Again current URL string, what to call return type is string. Then this string is a void actually. The from here only you can come to know that what is the return type of that particular method actually. So driver dot get title is a return type is a string exactly. So I will store this in one string exactly. Then I will print same thing, string title equal to. So then I will print exactly system dot out print dot out dot print ln print. So if you see, you can print this title So now I will comment all those things. So as of now, don't worry about that. What and all things I have written here. Because I want just before starting, I wanted to practice this one. Just okay. So just I will run this one. Just you can run as a Java application. So you can see that whatever that title available in that particular page. Can you see, guys? This one, online site, mobile electronics. If you go here, this is a title. Can you see here? Online shopping site. So driver.get title, it what will do, basically get the title of the page actually. So you remember, so these things will help in when you are as a what you call, whether a title of the page is properly or not well while executing. So that time you can get the title, that you can do the assertion actually. This browser command will help you exactly while validating the title of the web page actually. This is a one browser command. Next we'll think, this is a get title. One more is a driver get current URL, it is there. So driver dot get current URL. Can you see this current URL? Again, this return type is a string exactly. So you have to mention string current. This why you are showing, right? Because in order to confirm whether what it is saying is, so that's the reason I'm printing. Otherwise, I can directly tell it will get the current URL, whatever present is there. Just for your confirmation purpose, I'm printing this result. Apart from nothing exactly. So basically what it will do, this current title is there, right? So if you launch one browser or something, the whatever the available current title is there, that will fetch exactly. So I will show you now. I will take a google.com. See, anything fine, you can take any website. So just you can take any website, whichever website you want, just for your purpose. I'm showing different website. That's it. So basically what it will do, for example, if you launch google.com, what will be the current URL? That value will fetch exactly. This is a current URL exactly. In that case, after launching, what will be the current URL present in that particular browser? So that URL it will fetch. Then I will show you same thing exactly. So first I am getting, then get title not required as of now. So I will comment. So take a current URL. So I'm printing the same thing. We'll launch and see exactly what it is coming here. Can you see here? Can you see, guys, here in output console.com? Current URL we got actually. So we'll, yeah. So now again we have driver dot get title is there, get current URL is there. One more is there, get page source is there actually. Again, it is return type is a string exactly. So basically what it will do, page source method, for example, if you open up any browser, then you right click, inspect, that also it will do same thing. Otherwise, if you see view page source, right, these value will get exactly this driver page source exactly. Whatever it is available is there, you wanted to check the what is the source of the page available, these value will come exactly. This one, driver dot get page source actually. So just I will think run. Can you see guys what console what we have printed? See, it will take that page source, exactly available page source. This one page source. Then one more is a driver dot close actually. Title is we learned, page source we learned, current URL we learned, driver dot get we learned. Now we'll do the driver dot close actually. Driver dot close, what it will do? Basically, it will close the browser available which is open by the Selenium. For example, if you open browser, it basically to click the or clicks the close button. That same thing it will do. Now I will run and same thing I will show you. Can you see it's closed the browser? I will show you exactly. I will comment this one and you can observe. This time it won't close the browser. I will run again, same thing.
We can't see the next screen actually. Your browser, only this.
Oh, whatever I'm launching browser, you guys are not able to see.
No, only this screen. But only that's why I'm looking only down the console. Only we can see, but not the next page.
Okay, just a minute. I will try to share this one also. What you call Chrome browser also. Let's see. One minute. Now I hope you are able to see Chrome also now.
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Yeah. So
I was
thought.
thinking of doing headless browser or what. I was just that's
Okay.
why I was just thinking.
Okay. You guys are sure. Earlier also you didn't guys see whichever I show available titles and all.
No. Only we saw in the command, in the command line down. So there I saw page source, page URL string. That's what I was thinking of doing. Headless browser or what.
Okay. Yeah, just I will show you exactly one. Just I will explain one more time what and all things it will see. Yeah, just I will come one more. So driver dot title is whatever the title available here. This right page driver dot get title. This will do exactly. Driver dot get title. Driver dot get current URL right. Whatever once you launch the browser, whichever available URL is there, this will get actually driver dot current URL. Then driver dot get page source is like this view page source. This text available text page or available text will get actually. And driver dot close, it will do basically what it will do. It will close the browser exactly. If you see now, I will commented actually. I will run one more time. This time it won't close the browser. Just it will launch and it will keep ideal. I will show you guys. Just a minute. Can you guys see it didn't close the browser? So just it's launched and kept actually. Now I will uncomment this driver dot close. Now it will close the browser. Just I'm thinking. Can you guys see now it is closed? Yep. Now one more is there, right? The driver dot quit is there exactly. One more is there. Driver dot quit. So basically what it will do, right? Driver dot quit also. Driver dot quit also it will close the browser. For example, assume that Selenium WebDriver open this session and it clicked one more tab something and it launched one more tab here something exactly internally. Assume that there are 3-4 tabs opened by Selenium WebDriver session. In that case, what it will do, if you do driver dot close, only that current session will close exact. Assume that if you do driver dot close on that particular, whichever tab is open, right, that particular session, that tab it will be closed exactly. If you driver dot quit, entire thing will close whatever available. For example, if you see, right, close all tab, single tab, something option will come exactly, whether you wanted to close all tab, single tab. See, close means it will do, right, close all tab. Driver dot close it will do right, single it will do. Close other tabs, what you call all tabs, quit. Like this, guys, you can understand actually like this difference between driver dot quit exactly. But it will help exactly when you are running your what you call running the uh, website where is having so many links. By clicking one link, you will navigate to other link that will open. Then you will pass the WebDriver session to that particular page. Then again, if you click went to that particular page, again you clicked on some link and it went to other WebDriver session page. That time it will help whether you wanted to close that single session WebDriver page, whether you wanted to close entire thing exactly. That time this driver.quit will help exactly. So these are the browser commands. Actually we'll call as browser commands. So just I will do what are the browser commands available is. One is the driver.get. So basically it will, when you wanted to launch the any what do you call URL in the browser, so driver.get will help. Driver.get title, what it will do, basically you will get the title of the available page. So driver.get current URL, it will help you to get the current URL available in that particular browser. Page source, it will help you to get the page source of the web page. Then driver.close, it will close the only current session which is opened by a WebDriver. Driver.quit, it will close all the session opened by WebDriver. Any doubt with respect to browser commands?
No, thank you.
Yeah, if you are having any doubts, any even the simple silly doubts also, please ask so that we can rectify here, and at the end we no need to wait actually. So now this browser commands, now we'll come to, we're done with the browser commands. So now we're done with the browser commands. Now we'll go with the navigations command actually. So what are the navigations commands available in the Selenium exactly? So navigations means going from one page to another page. So there are four navigations commands are available in Selenium exactly. Navigate to, one is navigate to, one is navigate back, one is navigate forward, and one is navigate refresh. Actually this navigate refresh won't come here, but that one more command is available. So navigate to, navigate back, navigate forward, and navigate refresh. Actually these are navigations command is available in the Selenium. Now I will click driver dot navigate. This is a method actually. So you should know what are the methods available in the Selenium. In order to know exactly, just you have to, once you created WebDriver, you have to take that reference driver dot. Once you click now, you'll available methods, it will display suggestions, it will give exactly. Just you have to type like this. There is no need to worry about how should remember. Just you will give what you call Selenium only provide you suggestion exactly. Navigation, if you dot, again click dot. Can you see how many things are? One is a back is available, one is refresh is available, one two is available, one is, sure, one more is there, forward. See, can you see forward is also available? Can you see here navigation like back, navigation forward, navigation refresh, navigation to. These all are available navigations commands will do exactly. Now what we'll do, navigate dot back. Actually I will press first, we'll go with the back. So navigate dot back, what it will do, basically it will take a one page by back in your history page exactly. For example, if you open, I'll show you, see now if you do navigate back, actually what will be your, if you click back button, what will be your output? So it will take the previous page actually. So can you see previous page? So this is the same thing with help command will do exactly. Navigate dot back, it will take to the one page back by in the browser history. Navigate back to, so just we'll see launch google.com, where is there? Basically there is at least 1 minute, I will see any pages, one page, it will take you back by in browser history. So just a minute in that case. Yep, the why it, because it didn't had any history exactly. 1 minute, I will identify one more page. Just a minute, I will identify and pass something and will Enter. Yep. I'll. Yep. Yeah, this will take you back one page. Shall I show you exactly? It will take on identify. I have to identify element and I have to search. Then if I go back, it will go. If I click back button, it will come here exactly. This will it will do exactly. Driver dot navigate back. So then one more command is that driver dot navigate dot forward. So now assume that what you did something searching. So now you went, if you driver dot navigate back, if you do click back button, it will go to here. If you do driver dot navigate forward, it's like clicking a forward button. Again, it will come here actually. This will do by a navigate dot forward exactly. Driver dot navigate dot forward. This actions will perform by navigate forward. Then one more is there. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. So refresh what it will do, basically like right click and you do refresh page, right, or reload page, same thing. It will refresh button will perform actually same actions whatever you are doing in browser. Just I will run and it will refresh. Wait. Oh sorry, just a minute, I'm quitting. And this is done. Navigate refreshment, basically refreshing the page exactly. Then one more driver is there. Driver dot navigate dot to basically it is a if you wanted to navigate to that particular web page, so directly it will navigate to that particular web page exactly. So in just I will give one any web pages available. So just it's expecting. So it will basically navigate it to that particular page. That's it. It will do. Like I will do. Don't have link also. Just can you guys see? First earlier it was google.com, now it will come to this one. Again it did refresh also actually, if you observe, if you guys clearly observe. So navigate dot to basically it will navigate to that particular page. What is the difference between this driver dot get and driver dot navigate? The syntax is we are it doing both same thing. The only one difference is like driver dot get, it will wait till the load pages actually, but driver dot navigate just it will navigate, it won't load actually. That is the only difference here exactly. Any doubt with respect to these things? Navigate back, forward, refresh, navigate to, these are navigations command available in Selenium exactly. Any doubt?
No.
Yep. You guys are able to catch, right? Whatever.
Yeah.
Yep. with respect to practical, how it will happening in browser exactly. That is the main thing you should understand exactly what particular command is doing exactly. If you understand, there is, it is easy to write any automation framework, or it is easy to do automation. You should know what command, what it will do exactly. That's it. So yep. So now we are done with the navigations command exactly. So now we'll learn about the web elements command actually. What are the web elements locator exactly? I will show anyhow we learned what are the available locators in a Selenium. I with the help of again I will show you practically how it will you can identify exactly. The as of now in Selenium these are the locators available exactly. So by ID we can identify by name, by class name, by tag, by CSS, link test, partial link test, and XPath actually. I will show that I took one demo website exactly. Here these all the web element type they created for testing purpose only to learn how it will looks exactly. So we'll identify the element one by one by using a available Selenium locator actually. So before that, what is the syntax here you have to do exactly in order to identify the element? So I will, so syntax will come here where it is there. Refresh will done right. Yep. So syntax will be like driver dot find element actually. Find element, and I will let you know what is the first I will finish up what is this. I think guys, driver dot find elements. There are, can you see guys, there are two types of methods available. One is a find element, one is a find elements actually. Find element, you basically what it will do, it will identify the only single element present in that particular web page exactly. Assume that you are identifying one web element, you identified this what to call login. It will, if assume that there are two login web element available in that particular page, that find element what it will do, it will take the first available web page element in this particular page exactly. Find elements what it will do, it will return the list exactly. That is the only difference. That single page it will do, it return the list. Find elements, if there are what you call find element, again what it will do, right? If there is no element find, it will give no such element exceptions. Find elements what it will give, it is a return a list element with the empty box actually. It won't provide any exceptions actually. That is a different business. It is used for a single element, it is used for a multiple elements actually. You just to remember find elements and find elements. It returns a list, it will returns a single actually. On zero match, it will zero, for example, two available one or two element, it will always take the first element actually. It will return the to both two elements exactly. That's the thing, difference between. So I will take find element. This is a syntax again by, if you do like by, can you see first I will show you exactly whatever the locator. You can learn from here also directly. By dot see here it will Selenium only shows what are the available locators available in Selenium. One is a class name, one is CSS selector, one is ID, one is link test, one is a name, one is a partial link test, one is a tag name, and these are XPath actually. These are the available locators in a Selenium. Now first we'll think with the ID exactly. Driver dot by ID. So like this ID, then you have to mention available ID. Just a minute guys, I will take this demo here. It is the almost all everything still available, so that's the reason I'm taking this one for identifying the element. Apart from nothing. Yep. You guys are able to see Chrome, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now what I will do, on inspect of this web element. Inspect. Sorry. Can you see here ID available in this one? Driver.id. Can you guys see DOM structure? There is ID available. Can you like this? If it is available by ID, they will write as a ID actually. So this is the ID. I will take this driver dot ID. Same thing. Just driver dot find by. You have to paste here ID. Then end of the colon exactly. First, it will. I will see. We can check whether element is identifiable or not, whether available or not. If you run, if you didn't get any exception, means element is available. If you get exception, means no such element exception, means it's not able to identify the element exactly. Just I will run, and you can see exactly. That is the one thing. Other things what I can do, right? One more I will do. I identify. Just I will do send keys so that you can easily understand. I will tell you this what is send keys means later, but for your reference purpose, I am telling whether element is identified or not. Oh, sorry. We given a wrong URL here. Exactly. I will. Can you guys say it's identify the web element and pass the text actually, Ratikant? Can you guys say able to see, right? Yep. This is a driver dot find by ID actually. So now we'll see. First we dot ID. Now we'll see different driver dot find element by ID will learn. By name you will try exactly. Let's see whether with help of name you can identify or not. So again I will open here. We'll do some inspect elements. If it is their name, we can see. By name, just a minute. By name also, I think. Let's try. It will not. It won't be available like that actually. Just what is available here? Gender. 1 minute. I will search. Can you guys see? There is a text called name actually. So if you can see whether it's able to identify by name also, we can identify. You could take by driver dot find by element by name equal to gender, then it can easily identify the by using name actually. So if you type by name gender, so it can easily identify the web element. Just name equal to, and this is syntax you have to give always provide in a double quote actually. Then end of the comma. So just you run and you can see whether element is able to identify or not actually easily. This is the easiest way actually to check. If there is no such element exception, then element is not available. If you didn't get any exception, then element is there. So we didn't got any exceptions, means element is available exactly. That's the easiest. So driver dot the ID is done, name is then we'll see driver dot find elements by ID is there. Then name, we done ID name there. Then we can take a tag name also actually, or tag name we will take exactly tag name. So I will tell you exactly how we can identify easily with help of tag name also exactly. Tag name, how it is like, basically tag name is this one. If you assume that there is a unique, like this, whatever is there at input label, whatever it is there at, through this also we can identify web element, but is a rare case exactly by identifying tag name. If you don't have anything that is a unique, in that case you can use exactly this tag name actually. Whatever you thinking, right, this input label, div class, these are all a tag name they will call exactly. Through tag name also we can identify exactly. Sometimes they will like for anchor length it will come just link. See, or like tag name, if A also finds, sometimes it will identify by using like this tag name also exactly. We'll try exactly if it is there or not. Just I will put this link instead of this one.